Okay. So, dropshipping was booming in 2023 and you might have watched a tons of video, but you haven't started yet or you don't have any idea how dropshipping actually works. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to start dropshipping in 2024.
Woke up today like a cheap day. Get sticky like it be the weekend. I leave my nuts hanging and both of them clinging. My drip from the garden to Eden. I told them let's ride. I woke up like gone that guy. We mob with good fellas and felons with black yellow drip like it's rush hour 5.
So dropshipping means selling your product online on your website without keeping them in stock. But the question is, where and how to find a product? So, product research is very important and it is very crucial in 2024 because it can make or break your dropshipping game completely. So, it is actually very important for you to select a high demanding and trending product in the market. So, to find the right winning product, you have to sign up yourself into these three main platforms, that is TikTok, Facebook Ad Library and Google Merchant Center. So, once you sign up into these accounts, what you have to do, you just have to start finding for dropshipping products, or you can search seasonal products and start liking and commenting and engaging to that type of content, so the algorithm shows you the same kind of content that you are actually looking for. So once these platforms will start suggesting you the winning products, you have to find the right product for yourself. So while selecting a right dropshipping product, you have to keep few things in your mind. It should be on trend and it should be easy to ship. So there are many factors other than this, but these three are main. So these were the simplest way to find a winning product. If you want to do a detailed product research, there are some paid platforms like Mynia, Dropship.io and many more. So these paid platforms provide you the detailed demographics of the winning product and also suggest you the winning product without any hassle. Most of the dropshippers that are ready to invest use these tools to avoid wasting a lot of time in dropshipping. So if you're a beginner, I would suggest you can use the simplest method that I told you, or if you have budget, you can use these paid platforms and make your work easy. So now that you have already found your winning product by doing a lot of product research, so now we need a good e-commerce store where you are going to design it according to your niche and you are going to list your product on that particular store so that it will build a very seamless and a trustworthy experience for the customer when they will visit your website. So for e-commerce websites, there are many platforms that you can use. There is BigCommerce, WooCommerce, and most of the dropshippers use Shopify because its interface is very easy. They also allow some particular apps that will help you to bring down the traffic very easily. So that is why most of the dropshippers use Shopify. So in 2024, a basic Shopify store or any kind of basic stores won't work this time, because you have to stay ahead of your competition and you have to design your store because it should look very professional and aesthetic, and along with that it should support the particular niche in which you are selling your products on. So there is already a lot of competition in US dropshipping, so you have to be very competitive and you have to outperform in 2024. So to make a professional dropshipping store, you can search on YouTube that how to build a Shopify store for 2024, or we can make a detailed video for you with using some premium themes, or else we have listed a link in the description box where you can check out a video of a dropshipper and they have completely explained step by step what are the things that are required to build a professional Shopify store in a tutorial format, so you can go and check out that video as well. So now that you have found your winning product and you have listed that product on a Shopify store or any e-commerce store, so now it's time for you to run ads for your product and get some sales. So for that, you have to choose one platform for yourself that should be fit in for you. So there are multiple platforms where you can run ads on. So if you are doing dropshipping in India, then I would suggest go for Facebook and Google. And if you dedicatedly want to do US dropshipping, TikTok ad would be better for you. So once you have selected a platform that suits best for you, it's time for you to find some good video creative for running ads for. So it's 2024 and the competition is very high, as I've already told you. So to stay ahead of your competition, you need unique video creatives that nobody else is using so that you can get way more better conversion than anyone in the market. So for good and unique video ad creatives, we have been using Viral Ecom Ads since very long time. Viral Ecom Ads is a well-known editing company in the world of dropshipping, and they have edited more than 50,000 video ads for more than 25,000 clients, and we are also one of them. So this is Viral Ecom Ads official website. You can see this is how their website looks like, and they have the results also. And there are a lot of creators that are using Viral Ecom Ads for their video creatives. You can see they have made quite a profit by using their creatives. They have this data like the total number of sales and everything. They offer multiple packages and they are proven to convert. You can get a 75% off if you are a VIP member. They offer multiple packages like the video ad packages, image ad packages, UGC and animation ads. My personal favorite package is this TikTok split testing package, because we do a lot of testing for US dropshipping, and the platform that we use mostly is TikTok. And once we get a winning product, we provide them the details and everything, and they provide us the video ad creatives within 24 hours with revision. They have this combo video ad package also. Just see the quality of the video creative that they have made. So this is the TikTok ad package. See the examples.
Check out this incredible heatless curling headband. It's a game changer for your locks. Just wrap it around, leave it for a while, and voila. Gorgeous curls without any heat damage.
So they make such high quality videos with various packages and various formats, and if you take the VIP membership, they are going to deliver your ad creatives within one day. So there is no reason that you shouldn't be going for this. So these little things can give you a big advantage in 2024. So once you get your video ad creatives, it's time for you to run ads. So for running ads, the product that you have already chosen or shortlisted, you have to test that product, whether that product has that potential to convert some sales or not. So if that product isn't performing well, you have to stop your ads immediately. So if the product is performing well, you have to keep on testing that product for more than 3 days, and if you are getting the consistent result, then it's time for you to scale that product. So that's it for ads, and ads is a huge topic in itself, and we do need to create a specific video for this because it's a huge topic and it has a lot of details, and if you want that, we can make a separate video on that apart from this. So let's move forward. So once you are done with all the things that I've already told you in this video and you have got your winning product, it's time for you to scale that product. So scaling is something same as running ads, but now that you know the winning product and you are continuously running ads on that particular product with some higher budget in order to earn a huge profit out of it. So this is what scaling is. So first you have to find a winning product, then you have to customize an e-commerce store according to the product niche that you have selected, then you have to find a very good ad creatives, and at the same time you have to test the product whether it's performing good or not. And finally, once you will get your winning product, you have to scale that product by putting on some more budget and more budget. So everybody is putting a lot of effort to being a successful dropshipper, but in 2024 you have to do everything extraordinary to beat your competition, because the one who's taking the extra efforts will get some extra reward. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you get some value from this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any queries related to Indian dropshipping or international, you have our number. You can ping us on WhatsApp or put some lovely comments on the comment section below.